4 power k is equal to 10. Find the value of k. So we have 4 power k is equal to 10 is same as 5 times 2. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 4 power k is equal to log of 5 times 2. Now this power k will move to the base, so it will be k log 4 is equal to log of 5 times 2, that means it will be log 5 plus log 2, because we know this formula log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now we need the value of k, so divided by log 4 in both sides. Now we see this log 4 will be cancelled, so we have k is equal to this divided by this, that means it can be written as log 5 over log 4, then plus log 2 over log 4. Now k will be equal to log 5 divided by log 4, that means it will be log 5 base 4, then plus, sorry for that, k will be equal to log 5 over log 4 is same as log 2 power 2, then plus log 2 over log 4 is same as log 2 power 2. Now k will be equal to log 5 over this power 2 will move to the base, so it will be 2 log 2, then plus log 2 over, again this power 2 will move to the base, so it will be 2 log 2. Now we have k is equal to here on over 2, then log 5 over log 2, it can be written as log 5 base of 2, then plus this log 2 will be cancelled, so here on over 2. Now k will be equal to, now we see 1 by 2 is common, so 1 by 2 is out of the bracket, this divided by this, that means it will be log 5 base 2, then plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that means 1. So this is the value of k, so this is our final answer. Now to check for k is equal to 1 by 2 bracket log 5 base of 2 plus 1. So our equation for power k is equal to 10. So for power k, that means it will be 4 power of 1 by 2 bracket log 5 base 2 plus 1, then is equal to 10. Now 4 power of 1 by 2 log 5 base 2, then plus 1 by 2, then is equal to 10. Now we have 4 power of 1 by 2 log 5 base 2, then times 4 power of 1 by 2 is equal to 10. Now 4 is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of 1 by 2 log 5 base 2, then times 4 power 1 by 2 is same as 2 is equal to 10. Now 2 power of 2 times 1 by 2 log 5 base 2, then times 2 is equal to 10. Now this 2 will be cancelled. So we have 2 power of log 5 base 2, then times 2 is equal to 10. Now here you can apply this formula. A to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 2 to the power log 5 base 2, that means it will be 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Now 5 multiplied by 2, that means 10. So of course 10 is equal to 10. So left side is equal to right side. So our correct and final answer will be k is equal to 1 by 2 bracket log 5 base 2 plus 1. So this is justified.